Alright, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of preparation work on the car, getting it ready for the drift day this Sunday. Got a few things to do, but yeah, after that I'll probably be giving it a cheeky squirt down the road. I want to really beat on the car a bit before Sunday so I don't rock up and take it around the track once and something breaks on me. So yeah, I'll try to get a bit of testing in before Sunday just so I know that it's going to survive a few sessions at least. But yeah, I've got a new switch for my ignition and I'm also going to be wiring in this 30 amp relay, so hopefully I don't burn anything out again. So I've got that to do, plus a few other little bits and pieces, just tidying up some stuff like this manual little boost controller bleeder valve that the tuner put in. I've got to somehow make that a bit better mounted, and a few other little things to tidy up. So here's the ignition switch I burnt out. The insides of that are completely gone. I'm basically just going to have these three wires together and then this one, and I'll run that through the relay and then put a new switch here that's going to switch the relay. So I've just done one of the solder joins that I had to do, and I just thought I'd point out what I used to do it. This is a soldering iron. It was actually my great grandfather's soldering iron. He was a Sparky, so yeah, it's pretty neat. Old soldering iron, and I've actually used it to do all the wiring in this car. But it has replaceable tips in the end, and the tip is pretty worn out, so I need to get another one of them. But yeah, works an absolute treat, works than any soldering iron you can get these days. So I'm all done with wiring up this relay, got it in there. It's a bit messy, but yeah, it all works. Put that on. Yeah. That flicks the ignition on, relay pulls in and fuel pump and everything turns on. So yeah, I'm just going to do a few other little things on the car and I should be right to take it for another spin down the road. So I've got the dash all back in, and also sort of mounted this manual boost controller. It's literally just cable tied in there. It's not ideal, but it's going to do for now. But yeah, got the GoPro on. But yeah, my brother Ben's going to come for a bit of a spin. Yo! He hasn't been in the car since it got tuned, but it's obviously not going to be me driving because that'd be against the law. But yeah, I'll turn the GoPro on. So whoever was just driving just got back from the test drive. There's a reason why it's called a test drive. Ran into a few issues. The intercooler piping popped off at one point when I tried to do a handbrake into the corner. So I had to fix that and then drive with no boost on the way home in case it would pop off again. The intercooler clamps don't actually do up all the way, so yeah, need to get some different clamps for it before Sunday. And I need to do something about that boot because that keeps popping up, so a couple of things to work on before Sunday. But yeah, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe and see you in the next one.